Tagging a post is a great way to show your content to the communities that you want to reach. But certain tags are just way too irrelevant to us that we don't want to see it. And that we can do by blocking those tags. Welcome to How Logical, and in today's video we're going to see exactly the same, how to block certain tags in Tumblr. First, head over to our Tumblr dashboard. Scanning the left sidebar, we can see account. Upon clicking it, we can see our blog name. Click on it. In the new page that has appeared in the mid section, to the right of it, we can see blog settings. We want to click on it. Now on the same right sidebar, a new option has appeared called account. Let's click on it again. Scroll through this account until you see content you see. Now there is something called filtered tags. Click on this pencil icon. Now type out the filter for your tags. Maybe I don't want to see the tags of dark violence. Alright, and next maybe I don't want to see racism. Alright, so maybe that's it. Now you know how to filter tags in Tumblr. Hope you found this video helpful. For future updates like this, you can always subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.